Yo, what's up guys? Today we are making a banana smoothie and here are the ingredients. Bananas, peanut butter, cinnamon, and milk. I'm using frozen bananas. You can also use non-frozen bananas, but I just like it frozen bananas because let's put the ingredients now. So first you want to put your bananas like this. You do want to wait a minute before you do this part because they're frozen and it's really hard to do sometimes. So what you want to do is be really careful because of the blade. And now what you want to do is put your, there's still one banana left, guys. Okay, now let's put the peanut butter in with the spoon. So now what we're going to do is put the peanut butter in like this. Okay, there. And now let's put the cinnamon in. Then we add our milk like this. If it's too thick, guys, you can add more milk. So now we're gonna blend it. Okay, so now what you guys want to do is blend first. So now what you guys want to do is get your spoon and mix a little bit to see if it's thick or too let me take the lid off, guys. It's kind of hard doing it like that. Let me just that, and then I'm just gonna pull the lid off. It's a little bit hard. Okay, there. Now what you guys want to do is get a spoon and just mix it like this. That's the good consistency. Okay, so now we want to pour it into a cup. So you guys can add extra, what you guys can do is put extra cinnamon on top of your drink if you like cinnamon, like this. And then now we get our straw, and then we put it, and then try it. It's really good, guys. Totally recommend it. Smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys next video. Bye.